freebie. It's an influencer getting something for themselves. People, without actually getting up and doing anything, they can actually give back with this campaign that we ran, where influencers gave someone in need a pair of bucket feet.
Yeah, I mean, it's a great idea. I think it's awesome. We want to support artists as much as possible, but I think we're in a position where we can also give to anyone. It's great to have a company like Freebie that sort of helps initiate that.
Also, I want to shout out to Team Bucket Feet for donating. Also, the Freebie team, man. We couldn't have made